today's video, I am going to teach you how to short on TradingView. Shorting or taking a short position is a strategy that lets you profit when the price of an asset goes down. It's an essential skill for traders who want to take advantage of market declines, and I'll walk you through the entire process in a simple and clear way. Start by opening any chart on TradingView. Once your chart is ready, look toward the bottom of your screen and select the trading panel. This is where you access all trading options and connect to different brokers. For this demonstration, choose the paper trading option, then select Connect. Paper trading lets you practice safely without risking real money and helps you get comfortable before trading live. After connecting, look to the right side or above your chart and select the Sell button. This is what initiates a short position. When the order panel opens, choose your order type. You can choose a market order if you want the trade to execute immediately at the current price, or choose a limit order if you want the trade to execute only at a price you set. Select whichever option matches your trading plan. Once your order type is set, choose the quantity you want to short. Make sure this aligns with your risk management approach so you don't expose your account to unnecessary loss. Paper trading gives you flexibility, so feel free to test different sizes until you understand how they affect the trade. When everything looks correct, select the Sell button to place your short position. You will now see the position appear on your chart and inside your trade log as a negative value, which indicates a live short in the simulation. If the asset's price begins to fall, you will see profits accumulate. The goal when shorting is simple: sell high and buy back lower. Practicing this method with paper trading helps you build confidence before entering real market conditions, and that's how you short on TradingView. Happy trading!